Hey there, students. This is Mr. Clegg, and this is video number 1 on music theory. So we're going to learn about the names of the notes. Some of you might have already learned this, but we're just going to do it real quick here. So first of all, I want to teach you how to find a C note. C is right here. And the way you find it is by finding 2 black keys, and then the note on the left is a C. There's another one here on a piano. I believe there are 7 or 8 of these. And if you see that 2 black keys here, no, white one on the left, that's also a C right there. Looks like it's not. There we go. Hopefully you could hear that and see the animation there, as I'm using my phone screen actually for these videos so that I can press multiple notes at the same time. I can't do that with a computer mouse. So that's a C. That's a C. There are other C's all along the piano keyboard. If you want to click on this, I can see the whole piano keyboard and zoom in on a certain spot. I'm zoomed in on this spot because I want to show this stuff. All right, but then, so the notes actually go from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then they start out at A again. You can probably see you can probably very faintly see the labels down here. Okay, so the notes that are in between, the black keys that are sharps and flats, and they are the in-between notes. In terms of the musical part of the piano or whatever, there's actually no difference between the black and the white instruments. They should all sound pretty much the same. Okay, the only difference is the black and the white just helps us to find the notes easier. The other thing that's going to be different, though, is the white keys pretty much just have one name: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and back to A again. The black keys have 2 names, and the way we do that is that here's an A note. The black key above it is called an A sharp, and we write that with a sort of a pound sign. I don't know if I can do this here or not. Oops, why is it not? Oh, here, okay. There we go. So we can write this as an A sharp. It kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe sign or a pound sign. And so this would be, if this is C, let's see, I'll write it like this. This is C, then this is C sharp, right? This is D, then this note right above it is D sharp. There we go. And so on, right? But the other thing to notice is that these black keys also have another name. They have a flat name. I should note that this is called A sharp. And this symbol here that looks like a lowercase b but isn't really is called A flat. Sometimes people write it with a lowercase b when we're typing on a keyboard, but it's not actually the exact same thing as a B. It's a special symbol called a flat symbol. Anyway, the note that's right below a note, so this is B, then this would be B flat. So we write that with a B and then the flat symbol. This is D here, so that means that this note is D flat. And if this is the note E, then the note up here is called E flat, and so on. So basically, all these black keys have 2 different names. They're a sharp and a flat. All right, so now see if you can name this note right here. That right there. And that is F sharp or G flat. And then what about this note? That is a G sharp or an A flat. All right, good job, you guys. See you in the next video. Oh, sorry, not quite done yet. The other thing I want to point out is that you've also hopefully learned how to play chords in the positions. Oops, let me see here if I can do this. Oh, come on now. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's showing me a weird. Well, anyway, you can see it though. Sorry, I was just trying to make these letters go away, but for this one, it's just going to be A. So this starts C, D, E, F, G. You just have to have one finger on each piano key. with no gaps in between. So this is your C position. Put your thumb on a C, then your index fingers on a D, E, F, and G. And so the idea is you want to play like a little 5-note scale like this. And then you want to go to, I guess I should have showed you that on here. Right? So you're doing that with your 5 fingers. And then you're going to want to just play the 1, the 3, and the 5. What's the C, the E, and the G notes. So skipping your index finger and your ring finger. So you're just doing thumb, middle, and pinky. So you're going to play it like this. Because so that's your 1, 3, and 5. So you're just going to play it like that. That's your C chord. Then you can move that whole thing up and start it on an F. So it goes like this. Never mind that sound has a little different sound. That scale has a little different sound for now. Just so we're going to play the 1, 3, and the 5. There it is. And then move that whole thing up to a G, and you have a G. And then you're going to play that chord. There it is, G chord. So those are the 3 chords that we're going to do right now, and you've learned all the notes and you've played your chords. So you have your C, E, and G. Oh, I got to get my thing back here. Okay, here we go. So you've played this chord, your C, E, and G chord, right? Now you've also gone up to F, A, and C, and you've played those notes. That's your F chord. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And you've also gone to G, B, and D and played these notes. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. See, that's what I wanted you to learn in this first video. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.